get hold of myself.
Here, sit down. Here, he brings her down to the bench facing the audience. There now, that's better, isn't now?
I was at a party. I could have stayed all night with a friend, but I thought I had enough gas to get home.
Where do you live?
About 8 miles from here.
I see.
About a mile from here, I suppose. I don't really know. I ran out of gas. I took my flashlight and looked the car and started walking down the road. There are so few cars this time of the morning, but I thought anyway. I knew I could get the bus when it came along and then go back the car later. She breaks off the glance at the door again. She shudders at her own thoughts.
Come on now, you were doing fine.
I must have walked, I don't know, just a little way. When I noticed a car pulled off into a lane, I saw the rear light burning. I wanted to call to help them. I thought I'd just call out to them and ask if they could help me, if they might let me have some gas.
Did you?
No, I didn't get the chance to. I walked near enough to the car to be here if I called, but before I could call out, I saw someone. The front door of the car was open and someone was standing by it. A man. He had not heard me. He was pulling something out of the car. I couldn't tell what it was at first, and then the lighting, and I saw her, and then her hair was light and long, and it dragged in the mud.
This is dreadful. There is a flash of lightning and a crash of thunder.
He'll be here. I'm scared. Oh, God, I'm scared.
Did he see you? Did he see you?
Maybe my flashlight, maybe I screamed. I don't know. I don't think I screamed. I was too frightened. He looked up. I knew he saw me. I dropped the flashlight and started running. I could hear him behind me. I could hear the water splashing under his feet as he ran. I knew he was behind me. I was afraid I was going to faint. I ran crazy like all over the road. Then I ran off the road and into the woods. I circled round and round hoping I'd lose him, but I keep hearing something behind me. I ran until I fell. I knew there was no use. I couldn't keep it up. But then I realized I must have lost him because I didn't hear him anymore.
And you came straight here. Then?
Yes. Oh, he's still down there somewhere. He'll be here. Oh, gosh. I know.
The bus will be here soon and you will be alright.
Yes, oh God, please let it come quickly.
सारी इमोशनल हो रही है इमोशन इनका मेरे नाल
चल यार महंगा डायलॉग बन.
You will have to get to the police immediately.
No, I couldn't. I don't want to. I'm afraid.
But you must. It's your duty. It's a dreadful thing.
I know, but what could I tell them?
Tell them what you told me just now.
That would it be enough? They had want to me describe him, maybe identify him. I couldn't. I just couldn't.
Are you sure you couldn't think of something that might give them a lead? Anything?
I don't even know what he looked like. I couldn't see him very well. I was so frightened.
Nevertheless, you have got to go to the police.
I don't know why.
They'll ask you a lot of questions, of course, but I'm sure you can answer most of them. After you tell them the story the way you told it to me, there'll be routine questions, but they will be simple. They'll probably ask you something like, was he wearing a hat? How was he dressed?
I don't even know that.
Or was he tall? Was he short? How would you describe him generally?
I don't know. I swear, I don't know.
In the lighting, are you sure you didn't see his face at all?
I don't remember. Maybe he was wearing a hat or something. I don't remember seeing his face.
But you saw the girl.
No, I didn't.
But you said her hair was light and you saw her hand.
Yes, I did. In the lighting, I think yes.
But you don't remember seeing him?
No, I don't. She began sobbing.
I'm sorry, I should not be going on like this. You are much too upset to even think anymore about it. Don't worry about it anymore. Something will come to you later. That you have forgotten about right now, you'll see.
Perhaps.
You're flashing for instant, you could identify that, couldn't you?
Yes, but.
There you see. There you see. Now look, points to women's room. Go in there and dry your eyes and fix yourself up. You will feel much better.
You won't leave, will you?
Of course not, my dear. I'll be right here. She moves
Sir,
toward-
second man बनाया जल्दी से.
बस 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 बस